My name is ดชาพลอย อนดาหลวง I am 25 years old. As a child, I saw my grandma as a traditional Thai dancer, and my mother who saw a traditional Thai dance teacher. That has taught me to absorb Thai traditions since childhood. Until I fall in love with this pet is therefore the number one source of street food in the world that foreigners want to try once. Anyone can enjoy eating with a wide variety of menus.
Number 5, Thailand. Number 6.
And last but not least, Thailand.
Under the circumstance of the COVID-19 pandemic, I think the best promotion is to use social media platform. I choose to present Thai cooking to the world because cooking is an activity that we can easily do at home. And food is also essential to attract tourists because food can connect and communicate to people all over the world with cultural awareness, even if they cannot travel to that place. Thank you.
Miss Tourism Queen of the Year International from Thailand.
Congratulations to Thailand ปัจจับลอยเรือนดาลึง